Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech with Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a word out on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a word out on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer, just going to show in this video. For an example, you just need to click on the insert option on the top. Then you will see this option called word out. Click on the top menu. Here you can find all the presets of word out. For an example, you just need this type of patterns. So here I just going to type my name. So you can see it's look something different. And if you just need to have another type of word out, here I just going to choose this type of word out here. So it's word out, right? Yeah, of course. So you can just move the word out. You can just resize it, and also you can just change the preset whenever you just need it, like theme sets. For an example, here I'm just going to click this. And you can see this changing work would be helpful for easily changing the themes like this. You can just choose which word out you just need, and also you can customize the outline color. You can see it changing like orange if you just need it, and also you can change the text color, text full color actually, like green or like a gradient color if you just need it. So, and also we can also apply the text shadow effect or reflection effect if you just need it. It's fully customizable and it's easy to and simple, and you can just make it to normal or to have some shadow effect like this. So this is how you just insert a word on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech with Unique. Have a wonderful day.